Hey, Student Success, welcome to week 10 of the semester. So week 9 started to introduce us to chapter 11. In the week 9 folder, I have your chapter 11 lecture video, which covered chapter 11. In week 9, we really focused on resume building, that kind of component of chapter 11. Now, this week, we're going to focus more on the money management piece, which is really what chapter 11 hits hard on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy over the chapter 11 lecture from week 9, and I'm going to plug it into your week 10. So if you already watched the week 9 video over chapter 11, you don't have to rewatch it unless you need to refresh your memory. So this is kind of chapter 11 continued. So keep that in mind that we're kind of building off of what we did in week 9. So in week 10, this is again chapter 11, really focusing in on taking control of your finances, which was a huge focus of your chapter. I'm going to go into the materials folder here. And in the materials folder, there's a link to your textbook again. And then because chapter 11 really focuses on like financial management, money management, there is a link to like a budget calculator, lifestyle calculator, Ohio Means Jobs website where you can look for various salaries for different careers. So there are different links inside there that you are welcome to use and try to maybe look around and get some more information on specifically your career, your salary information, budget, that kind of thing. For this week, there is no attendance post, so your discussion forum you do not have to worry about. For attendance purposes, you are just going to complete the basics of money management by Sunday for your week 10 attendance. So another one of those where you just have to complete it by Sunday to get your both points for the assignment as well as your attendance points. So if we click into the assignment folder, here we go. We're going to see you have one assignment, the basics of money management. You can pull up a PDF that's going to walk you through kind of the steps on how to complete this. My video is going to, this kind of like skips a step right here. So my video is going to make sure you get there. So in here, all the work is going to be done right here in this website. So you're going to click on Ohio Means Jobs, and it's going to open up to a page that looks like this. You're just going to scroll down just a little bit. Basics of money management. So you're going to click there, and then you're going to see this page, which is where this PDF kind of kicks in there. So you're going to see this page, you're going to click on the basics of money management. When this opens up, in just a moment, you are going to see, here we go, the course. So when you go in here, this is all about, obviously, basics of money management. And as I've said in previous videos on this particular topic, I don't think it really matters where you are in your life. Money management is something that's important from the time you get your first job all the way until you retire and then. So it's something that you should always be kind of thinking about and reevaluating. And so this is applicable to all of us, no matter what kind of walk of life we're in. So here's the course introduction, and then you're going to go through and you can see like you're just going to go through these little lessons, and they're not terribly long. You can navigate like through the next, again, see how quick they are. So spend a little bit of time in here. There's lesson 2, lesson 3, and lesson 4. And then there is a summary section that kind of just starts to wrap it all up. Ultimately, when you're ready, when you've spent time in each of the lessons, you're comfortable with all the material, you can look at the course summary, and then you're going to take the post-test. Okay, so the post-test is a series of questions that is just going to make sure that you are comfortable with the material. The first several questions are on this page, and then you want to make sure that you hit next and go to the other set. There are 10 questions total, so you want to make sure that you answer all 10. Whenever you are done, you're going to hit score my test. Whenever you have scored your test, it's going to ask you, it's going to give you like, hey, you got 9 out of 10 or 10 out of 10, and then type your name. Don't literally type your name here. I have had students do that before. Literally put your name there. Like your name should go there. So Joe Smith, and then hit submit, and you're going to get your certificate of completion. This is what you're going to download and send to me. So you're going to download it, and this is where your PDF will also kind of pick up. See, like score your test, certificate of completion, put your name, here it is. You're going to download and save it as a PDF. And then in the Dropbox, which was right where I just was, you're going to go ahead and click in here and submit that PDF file. Okay, again, so that is due by Sunday, and that will count as your weekly attendance points as well. So again, remember that the actual assignment work is done through Ohio Means Jobs. You have to go through those lessons, take the post-test, and submit your certificate of completion to me. All right, so So make sure that you take advantage of any materials in here that you think will be helpful to you, no matter where you are. Re-look at chapter 11 or rewatch the video lecture on it until you're comfortable with that material, and hope you all have a great week. Bye.